Are you stressed when your Tesla key fob suddenly stops working? No need to panic. Here's how to get back on the road. First, make sure the key fob battery isn't dead. Most key fob issues happen because the battery needs a swap. Just pop open the back, replace the coin battery, and give it another try. If that doesn't work, check if your car's software is up to date. Sometimes a quick software update fixes connection problems. Still no luck? Try repairing the fob. In your Tesla touchscreen menu, go to Locks, then Add Key, and follow the steps. Remember, you'll need the key card handy for this. Also, make sure you're close enough to your car and there's nothing blocking the signal, like a metal bag or thick pocket. If your fob is still silent, it could be damaged. In that case, contact Tesla support. They're quick to help. So next time your Model 3 key fob acts up, don't worry. Try these simple tips, and you'll be back in the driver's seat in no time.